For today's video, gagawin natin yung very famous na ube-pandesal. Sana maging successful and before tayo mag-proceed with our ingredients, please subscribe, like, and comment. Ayun. Ngayon, mag-start na tayo with the ingredients. So yun, we're done with ube-pandesal. Medyo failed siya kasi this is our first time, pero hopefully sa next time maging successful na siya. Though lasang pandesal naman and parang umalsa naman yung ating paggawa dun sa pandesal. Anyways, until my next video, if you have suggestions to your Tita In, please comment down below and ayun, stay safe pa rin and until my next video.